How to recover username on TD Auto Finance. First of all, open your preferred browser and go to the official TD Auto Finance website by typing tdautofinance.com in the address bar. On the home page, look for the login section. Just below the login fields, you will see the option that says Forgot Username. Click on it to begin the recovery process. You will be redirected to a secure page where you will need to verify your identity. Enter your registered email address and click Submit. Once verified, TD Auto Finance will send your username to your registered email address. Open your inbox, find the email from TD Auto Finance and note down your username. Now return to the login page, enter your username along with your password and you will be able to access your TD Auto Finance account again. Now you know how to quickly recover your forgotten username on TD Auto Finance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more finance tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.